go see if Gregory is asleep.
Mommy.
What are you doing?
I just woke up.
Supposed to be at bed.
But I just woke up.
Oh. What are you doing?
It looks like it's night outside, but like...
That's fun.
Anyways, Mom.
Go to bed in like 2 hours. Wake up. Tomorrow's your birthday, son.
Ooh. This thing's
Hey,
sick.
put that down. Put that
down.
Oh. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed, or else you won't get any birthday presents.
Bro, it's my birthday already. It's literally 6 a.m.
I don't care. Go to bed for like an hour.
My God. Fine, you stupid. Mommy. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. You doing what the fuck?
Oh,
it's my
what
birthday.
Are you doing? What are you doing?
It's my birthday.
Oh, yeah.
Why are you like 7'4"?
Work. Don't ask.
It's my birthday.
I have to do some work. Just do anything you want. Don't do anything weird, though. What did you do?
This'll be funny.
Hey, no. Dinner? Why did I say dinner? Whatever. Gregory, it's time to eat breakfast. Oh my God.
There you go. There's a dish in the sink for you.
Clean, just in case. Shush.
I was playing a masterpiece.
Okay, fine. Play your masterpiece. Okay, just washing dishes. More to go.
Oh. Hey, Mom. Mom.
Yeah?
What's for dinner? Can we have pizza?
Yeah, we can have pizza.
Can we have Freddy Fazbear's
do you want
pizza?
ordered? Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Alright, do you want me to go get it? Like, or do you want me to order
No, let's
it?
have Freddy deliver it.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go.
Here, let me order it first.
Hey, Mom. The door fell over.
God. Alright, he should
also,
be coming
I destroyed your
by
computer.
soon. No, you didn't. Better not have.
She don't believe me.
Alright, Freddy should be coming soon.
Yeah. Yeah. Freddy! I want to see...
Okay. Gotta wait for Gregory's pizza to get here. Okay. Oh, I think that's it. Let's get up. Hello?
Chica, hey, it's been a while since we've seen each other.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, I got
Where
a
have
pizza
you
delivery
been?
for you.
Yeah, it's
I've just been
Gregory's.
at the Mega Pizzaplex trying to destroy this Afton guy. He's pretty stupid.
It's Gregory's birthday.
Anyways,
so he wanted pizza.
Oh man, is he sleeping right now?
Yeah, I think so. I'm pretty sure. He's either playing his Flappy Bird or he's in bed.
Yeah. One of the two. Doesn't matter. Anyways, I got your pizza.
Alright.
There you go.
Okay.
Tell my superstar I said happy birthday.
Alright.
See ya.
Alright, see ya. Alright, let's get him this pizza.
Come on. This is such a stupid game. Oh my God. Oh my God, pizza. Pizza's, oh my God, this pizza's the size that it's bigger than my hand. Anyways, I'm hungry.
Alright, here, let
Can
me
you pull a
get you
slice out, please?
Yeah. Pizza slice, Gregory.
No, thank you, Mom.
Oh yeah, and
the pizza's too big for my hands. Can you feed it to me?
God, okay.
Yummy. I love pizza.
Surprise him with
Anyways,
this and
hey Mom, you forgot my birthday cake. Can you go to the store and get one?
Yeah.
What the heck is this on the news?
Oh, shoot.
Whoa.
Gregory, get inside. Gregory.
What?
Gregory? Come on.
Is that our house?
Let's go.
Hold on. I want to watch the news real quick.
Get over here.
Why is it looking at our house? Whoa! What is that? Oh my god. I gotta run.
Over here.
Come on.
Get in the
Get
bathroom.
inside. Get inside.
Now.
The bathroom.
Oh my god.
Mom?
Oh my god.
I'm under the debris.
How is the sink still alive?
Oh, what the heck? Hey, Mom, can you move this door out of the way?
Yeah. Come on.
I'll crawl over here. What the heck happened to our house? What happened to our house?
Oh my god.
Why is everything destroyed? Oh my gosh, the TV. Oh my god, that's our house.
Especially on your birthday.
That's our house right there.
What?
That's our house.
Oh my god.
Dude, I see you on there.
I'm seeing things, son.
No, I'm not. I have a TV in front of me. Well.
Wow.
Oh my god. That is just crazy. Well, I guess it's time to get...
Well,
Our house is gone.
our house is destroyed. God.
Well,
God.
I guess that's
How
it for
is
this
this
house.
still alive?
I don't know why our house got targeted, but not these guys right here.
Oh, I'm just gonna...
But, you know.